Here I'm going to go over the head on our 650 pump. So just to go over tightening practices, because I've heard stories of this breaking, so I just wanted to go through how this is being done. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a standard half-inch PVC fitting, and I'm going to tighten it without any Teflon, without any sealant, without anything else, to see if I can break, how much force it's going to take to break this pump. So here I'm putting all my strength by hand. You can see it's threaded through. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Teflon tape and see what the difference is. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Teflon on here. And I'm going to put this on the vise. That way I have a nice, good support in it. So it's significantly easier to do because the Teflon acts as a lubricant. So now I'm tightened all the way. I really shouldn't need to tighten more than this, and clearly nothing's broken here, but let's say we just really want to crank down. We can see here, I'm now starting to press the fitting now into this part over here. I'll bring the camera closer just to show what I'm talking about. The fitting is fully tight right now, but we'll continue a little bit more. I'm going to see at what point of tightening I have to do to break this head. So, I was able to break it, but it was really by over tightening that fitting on there. If you're tightening this much, yes, you will break your head, but there's no need to tighten that far. And I don't know if you're getting to this level, it might be a better solution to not use Teflon, because once again, Teflon acts as a lubricant, so you keep tightening thinking that you have room, or you have the necessity to keep tightening, but it's really not, and it may be a better application to start using a different type of sealant instead of Teflon that's lubricating and making you think that you still need to tighten. It could be better to use maybe 5200 or some sort of other marine sealant that wouldn't be lubricating the fittings. But tightening it this much, yes, it'll break, but that's really by over tightening.